What if your login screen could detect network changes and work offline? Let's build it in SwiftUI. This is what we will create in this tutorial. Using the network framework, the application is able to detect if you're connected to the network or not using either Wi-Fi or mobile data, as I will demonstrate. At the moment, at the bottom of the screen, you can see it shows the network connection status in green. We're connected to the Wi-Fi network at the moment. Now, if I change the connection to not connected to any Wi-Fi and then go back to the application, you will see that the status has been updated to not connected to the internet. And then if I go back again and change it to mobile data, you will see that the connection is now cellular as we're connected to mobile data for the internet. And then if I go back again and then select Wi-Fi, you will see that we are now connected to Wi-Fi network. So this is the actual application that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will implement the No Internet view that shows the connectivity status such as Wi-Fi connectivity, mobile connectivity, waiting for internet connection, and also no internet connectivity. Create a new SwiftUI view. Name the view No Internet View. And then type the following after lines 11. So we can delete the text element. We need a VStack, spacing 20. We also need to display our image. That will be our system name, Wi-Fi dot exclamation mark. And the font of the system image will be system size 80, weight semi-bold, and that will set the icon size and the weight. The foreground color of the icon will be orange. The orange. The next thing we need to create is our text element. No internet connectivity. font, title 3, font weight, semi-bold, our next text element that we need to create is please check your internet connection. To continue using the app, we need multi-line text alignment. And then we need to center the sentence. Foreground color, foreground style, that needs to be, or we can set it to grey. It doesn't need to be grey, but we can just set it to grey. Text, which will show waiting for internet connection. Font, caption, foreground, style, white, padding, add padding around the text, frame, max width, infinity, and it should be max width. Infinity, so the Mac is running very slowly again, so let's infinity, background, color, ancient color, corner radius, eight to enable round corners, font design, round, so that we use a rounded font style for a more friendlier look. And then we need some padding, which is horizontal, which adds horizontal padding outside the background. On lines 32, It should be, let me try it this way, color dot agent color. Font design, oh, that should be rounded on line 34, so we need ED at the end. And then after line 36, we need to add some padding around our entire restack. Let's see if it will work in the preview. The preview has finally loaded. So this is what the preview should look like. In the next tutorial, we will start to implement the content view that we'll call the network monitor that we implemented in the previous tutorial. Don't forget to